Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm doing a look with the Shroud Cosmetics It's Freakin' Bats palette. It's a 9-pan palette with 4 mattes and 5 metallics, 2 of which are duochromes. This is the most interesting and the grungiest color story that I have in my collection, and I really love it. I think it's a great palette for fall too. This is my 3rd time using the palette, and I do have some thoughts about it, which I'll be sharing in an upcoming video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. Everything I use on the eyes will be listed below, so let's get started. you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.